Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanvi and I create content related to beauty and lifestyle. I am so excited for today's video. So in today's video, I will be sharing with you guys some very affordable beach summer dresses. Like they are just wow. So let's start the video without wasting any more time. The very first dress is what I'm wearing right now. It is such a beautiful tie and dye dress. There are so many buttons and the best part about this dress is it has pockets. Yes, I was like stunned, and plus it is the material, the fabric of this is very lightweight, perfect for if you are going for beach. Like if you get wet, it will get dry within minutes. So something appropriate for beach, and it gives a very like baggy sort of look, which I think is perfect for the summer time. But if you like little bit of fitted clothes, then you can go a bit size down. There are 4 colors available in this maroon one, then there is gray, blue and purple as well. I like this one the most, and this costed me around $17, but right now I'm checking the price has reduced and it's 14 point something, so it's not even $15. Okay, let's move on to the second dress. Is this one. It is a v-neck sort of pattern. Again, it's sleeveless, and look at the flower pattern of this. It's like a appropriate summer dress. You can wear it on beach, or even if you are stepping out. Like this is so lightweight, so like easy and breezy. Like the fit of this one was so perfect. I really loved it. And as I said, like this is like the fit, the look of this one is so beautiful. And there is this roughly pattern, little bit of going on at the bottom as well. There is one more color available for this dress. It's sort of red orange sort of color. That is also a very beautiful pattern for a dress, but I like this one more, and this costed me only $10. Can you believe it? It's like super affordable. Next dress is this one. It's again a tank dress. I really like these kind of dresses, especially for summers. They are so easy breezy, and look at the pattern in the front. Like see, I really liked it. I really like the fit of this on me. I really like these kind of patterns, little bit of marble sort of pattern like thing is going on. I really loved it, and this costed me $15. And in this dress only one color was available, but this is on its own is so beautiful. Like I really love this one. Okay, let's move on to the next dress, and it is this one. Obviously, if I'm ordering some clothes, some dresses, how is it possible I don't order a yellow color dress? And I love the flower pattern on this one. I was like, out of all the dresses, I was looking forward to this dress the most, and maybe I messed up by because it like in the picture also it was showing little bit of baggy effect, but I thought like I will order my size only. I should have gone one size down because I'm not liking this one particularly on me. And there is this waist cinching effect going on in all the full dress. There is this beautiful flower. Like I really love the dress. The material, the quality of the material is also really very nice, but like I'm thinking, should I keep it or return it? You guys let me know, like what do you think, like how it is looking on me. Should I keep it or return it? And this one costed me somewhere around $17. Okay, let's move on to the next dress. Is this beautiful flower pattern dress. I really love flower patterns on my dresses, and this one, this color is so gorgeous. I really love this color, and I think this suits me well. And look at the flower pattern on these ones, like so gorgeous, like green with blue. I didn't think, but it looked so beautiful. And again, it's a very lightweight, very breezy, very, you know, summery beaches sort of dress, but nonetheless you can wear it like other than beach, someplace other than beach as well. Color of this one is so vibrant. If you do not want to wear such dresses on the beach, then you can easily like put on a like denim jacket and shoes. It will look so chic, so bougie, like it will look so nice. Coming on to the next dress, it's this one. Like look at the pattern on this. It's a leaf sort of tropical, very foresty sort of pattern going on over here, and I can't I can't wait to wear this on a beach. And like this is again very lightweight, very easy, and like perfect for beach. I'm always looking for something like this to wear to beaches. Like I really love this one. I know I'm saying this for all the dresses, but I really like all the dresses. And this costed me around $12, which is a like really decent price. One more green dress, and it's this one again, flower pattern, like but yeah, like over here the flower pattern is very small, very tiny flowers are there. And if you are someone who is not comfortable wearing like cut sleeve, then you can go for dresses like this with full sleeves, and the neck is also very nice, very pretty, and again a cinching effect is going on around the waist area. This dress gives me a very like boho sort of like feel, and this costed me only $9. It's not even of $10. Like this is one of the perfect beach dresses. Okay, let's talk about the next dress. I was not expecting much from this dress, but oh my god, this dress stole my heart. For a surprise, it's not a flower pattern, and it's a very like, I have noticed that I love these sort of patterns on dresses or even in clothes, like little bit of leopard printing sort of vibe that is going on in a dress. I really love it. So it's a very simple short dress, like little bit of frill going on at the bottom. But the star of this dress is its back. Like there is this, you can like tie it and make a beautiful bow at the back, and it goes like really deep at the back, almost backless, not particularly properly, but yeah, like it is little bit revealing, I will not lie. But I really love this dress, and I loved how it looked on me. And yeah, and this like best part is it's not even of $10. It was somewhere 9 point something, and I was like, how? Next dress I have is this like line patterns going on. The like best part about this dress that attracted me towards is the like pattern of the colors. Like there are so many vibrant colors, and these sort of like dresses looks really very good on beaches. And it has sleeves because I wanted to include something that like everybody is comfortable, long sleeves, cut sleeves, short sleeves. So if you don't want to wear full sleeve, and if you are not comfortable wearing cut sleeves, you can go like definitely go with something like this. And this has V neck, because for my body type, like V necks or round necks really suits a lot. So I always like find or look for that pattern. Alright guys, this is it. I really hope you liked all these dresses. I really loved all the pieces over here. Like they are extremely affordable, extremely light and breezy, perfect for this summer season. Do let me know in the comments down below which dress you like the most. Mine is that black and leopard brownish sort of pattern that is going on. Suddenly the lighting shifted. I don't know what happened, but I will wind up the video on this note. And hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, because there are more videos coming up like on fashion, beauty and lifestyle. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.